Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to pool opening 2025. Hey, it's a windy day we got here, so we're going to have to just make the best of it, but it'll keep me cool anyway. I've gotten all the water bags off. We are in luck this year. Two reasons. One, it's been dry the last couple days, so a lot of the leaves on here have dried out. Over here you just sort of have the muck kind of stuff, and down there is a little wetter, but we'll deal with it when we deal with it. There is no skill in this. Oh, and the second reason is, I don't know if he's in frame, no. XJoe81X is here to help this year. The weather actually cocked us over, but helped at the same time. Whiff and I were going to do this 2 days from now. It was supposed to be nice weather, but it's going to pour, so no good. And by getting it open now, I get that water in the pool to help it fill up faster. Excellent. So really, at this point, we have to remove the leaf nets and then the cover. There is absolutely no skill involved in this. It's just brute force. So with that, we're going to get right to work.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Just as
Joe's here, so obviously he had to take a shit in the pool. Hold on the brush. Yeah, so here's what we're left with. You can see the bottom. One of the plugs fell out. That's helpful. Okay. I don't know if it just fell out or it's been sitting there and there's a rust spot. Probably. It's certainly green. Now you have to remember that what you're seeing is green on the bottom of the pool. The water itself really isn't. It's all the green stuff that is grown on the floor and the walls and all that kind of good stuff. And over here it gets a lot darker because of Joe's shit. But that was to be expected. It went mostly without a hitch. But man, it was dicey. Those leaf nets were very deceptive. Very, very, very deceptive. So obviously we got a lot more work to do with this here. We got to fold up this cover. This one's garbage. Getting a new one for next year. Part of my corner guard. That's shot now. That's good. I don't know what I'll do next year. I think I have another one. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of it. So that was removing the leaf nets and cover for pool opening 2025. Got a lot more to go. 12, 13, 15, 1874 parts, something like that. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for part 2, removing the plugs and installing the jets.